what I want to do is to begin always at the beginning. Begin with the African worldview. Begin to create a context for us understanding what it means to be an African woman now here in Babylon, in the Ma'afa, to understand where we come from. And so let me begin with that, and a lot of the overheads will really be about that, primarily. Giving some information, and I know a lot of it'll be new for people, but it's just to point the way to things that we need to study and we need to go into depth. And so that's assignments for all of us to do the research that needs to be done. Let's begin with the paradigm of healthy development for African people, the natural cycle of African cultural development of African civilization. Maat, we're going to begin in Maat. Feel ourselves to be people who begin in Maat, and then using the rhythm of Maat, we develop African civilization. Maat representing African wholeness, African health, the source of African being, truth, Maat, reciprocity, Maat. And this is how we begin, and then we develop our civilization. We do the work of that development, which is what our ancestors did. And in so doing, we need to periodically remind ourselves of who we are. This is what our ancestors would do when we were in a situation of health. And so that periodic cleansing and reminding and recentering is Sankofa. Sankofa, a term that we get from the Akan people, the Adinkra symbolic system, Sankofa, return, go back, turn and go back, turn and go back and get, go back and fetch it, return to the source. All of this is in the meaning of Sankofa. And then we would continue our work. If you can see the cycle becomes a spiral, it is a process, and we would move back again to Maat, which would inspire us again. You know, we drink from the well again to know what was the truth of our work as African people. And then we would move out again, and we would work again, and we would need to be renewed again, and we would cleanse ourselves, and that would be Sankofa. And what I'm suggesting is that the natural cycle of African cultural development is the alternation, the repetition of Maat, Sankofa, Maat, Sankofa, Maat, Sankofa, and so forth. And you see the umbilical cord, which is connecting us always to Maat, the mother. Maat, the mother. That divine female principle which inspires us, sets us off on our way, and connects us to the energy force of our beginnings, our wholeness, and our health.